I shall be a good and responsible vessel, my lord.
Iwasa ako no buang.
Uy! Ala, uy, yun yung nang ibutaw sa puan. Ano mo?
Ay, sa buha, tuduhin.
Balik na, good! Ay, ako kayo. 1, 2, 3, go.
I shall be a good and responsible vessel, my lord. I shall make this peace a productive abundance of... Oh.
Correct! Here, scripts the duties and responsibilities.
Ayaw, uy.
Included in our agreement and shall abide this with all power as I myself do.
I shall guarantee your safety and loyalty as a new landowner of this land.
Where's the scroll?
Where's the scroll?
Here. Oh, we'll read it together.
Amen.
Come on, read it.
Part 3. I am married to the loveliest woman in the world and has bought the... Paano mo na-read this other?
Buga!
Land.
Ano, inyo nang ibutang buga!
Oh shit, a motherfucking spider.